The Tesla Model Y's large panoramic windshield is crucial for visibility and the function of its advanced driver assistance systems. Improper cleaning can lead to streaks, scratches, and even interfere with sensor accuracy. This video will guide you through achieving streak-free results and maintaining your windshield's integrity, especially with the advanced technology it houses. By following these steps, you'll ensure optimal visibility and prevent costly repairs. Tesla Model Y windshields feature laminated glass with specialized coatings that enhance driving safety and comfort. Hydrophobic coatings repel water, causing droplets to bead up and roll off the glass. Hydrophilic coatings help water spread evenly for better visibility in rain. Harsh chemicals like ammonia or vinegar can etch these coatings, causing permanent damage and reducing their effectiveness. To preserve these specialized coatings, always use pH-neutral, ammonia-free cleaners specifically designed for automotive glass. Start with distilled water to prevent mineral deposits that can leave spots and streaks on the windshield. Use a pH-neutral, ammonia-free glass cleaner specifically designed for automotive glass. Tesla-branded cleaners or invisible glass are ideal choices to maintain the windshield's coatings without causing damage. You'll need 2 microfiber cloths, one for applying the cleaner and wiping the surface, and a separate one for drying. These soft, lint-free cloths are gentle on the glass and help achieve streak-free results. For the large panoramic windshield, consider a squeegee with a replaceable rubber blade. This tool can help remove excess water efficiently, but always use it gently to avoid scratches. Avoid using paper towels or any abrasive materials, as they can scratch the windshield's sensitive surface and damage the coatings. Stick to the recommended soft tools for best results. Park your Tesla in the shade to prevent rapid drying. This allows the cleaning solution to work effectively without evaporating too quickly. Rinse the windshield with water to remove loose dirt and debris. This initial step prevents scratching during the actual cleaning. Apply a mild soap solution or your chosen glass cleaner. Use products specifically designed for automotive glass to avoid damage. Clean the windshield with a soft microfiber cloth or squeegee using circular motions. This ensures even coverage and helps lift dirt effectively. Dry thoroughly with a clean, dry microfiber cloth to eliminate streaks. Use gentle, overlapping strokes for the best results. Remember to be patient and avoid rushing, as this can lead to streaks. Take your time for the best streak-free results. The 2-bucket method is an advanced technique for achieving streak-free results on your Tesla Model Y windshield. It involves using 2 separate buckets, one filled with soapy water for cleaning and another with clean water for rinsing your cloth. By keeping the cleaning and rinsing processes separate, this method minimizes the transfer of dirt and debris back onto the windshield surface. The rinse bucket allows you to regularly clean your cloth, ensuring each pass removes rather than spreads contaminants. For best results, start with the wash bucket containing mild, pH-neutral soap solution. Dip your microfiber cloth, clean a section, then immediately rinse the cloth in the second bucket before the next section. This technique ensures a consistently clean finish without streaks. Regularly rinsing your cleaning cloth in the dedicated rinse bucket is crucial. This removes accumulated dirt, maintaining the cloth's effectiveness and protecting your windshield from potential microabrasions that could damage the glass coatings. One common mistake is using ammonia-based cleaners. Ammonia can etch the windshield's specialized coatings, causing permanent damage and reducing their effectiveness against rain and debris. Another pitfall is cleaning in direct sunlight. The heat causes cleaning solutions to evaporate too quickly, leaving behind streaks and residue that are hard to remove. Using dirty or abrasive cloths is a frequent error. Dirty cloths can transfer more dirt onto the windshield, while abrasive materials like paper towels scratch the glass, compromising clarity and safety. Neglecting to dry the windshield thoroughly allows water spots and mineral deposits to form, which can impair visibility and require extensive cleaning later. Be cautious with automatic car washes. Their brushes can scratch the windshield and potentially damage the advanced driver assistance system sensors, leading to costly repairs. By avoiding these common mistakes, you protect your Tesla Model Y's windshield from damage and maintain its optimal performance and value. A clean windshield is essential for the proper functioning of your Tesla's ADAS features. Advanced driver assistance systems rely on cameras and sensors mounted around the vehicle to detect obstacles, lane markings, and other vehicles. Streaks, smudges, or dirt on the windshield can obstruct these cameras and sensors, causing them to misread the environment. This obstruction leads to errors in the system, such as false alerts or failure to detect hazards. The result is reduced performance of safety features like automatic emergency braking or lane keeping assistance, potentially compromising your vehicle's optimal safety. In fact, studies show that improper cleaning can lead to sensor malfunctions, requiring costly recalibrations. Keeping the windshield clean ensures accurate readings and maintains optimal safety. If you notice ADAS malfunctions, such as warning lights on the dashboard, a professional cleaning may be necessary to restore full functionality.